As Brett would say, noise. That's the HPE. Still, some lack of power though. Oh wow, what is that? What is that hiccup? Oh, the suspension is pain in the ass. It has 970 kilometers. And yeah, suspension defect out of the factory. I mean, it works, but the new HPE 970 kilometers ASR ABS. Wow, and a red suspension still though, really bad. Yo. But very nice ride, perfect. Leave it like it is and that's done. Oh no, get new suspension. Are they also red? No, they're black. They saved the red color. No, it's perfect. It really needed this additional horsepower from HPE.
Yes.
No, it's just right. Have you tested top speed? Is it better?
No,
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?